Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get started with Framify. So first of all, we are going to remix our starter file. So to remix our starter file, first of all make sure you are logged in to your account. I'm going to hover my account, remix file. As you can see, you will find a link here, remix starter file. You just have to click here. So now you have to select a workspace from here. So I'm going to click confirm. You can name it Framify project. As you can see, you won't find anything here in this file. No pages, nothing else. But if I go to assets, you will find styles. Under styles, you will find text styles, length style, and color style. So this file will help you customize Framify components easily. So let me tell you how it works. If I come here to my website, you can browse by categories. I'm going to select one of the component. Just copy the component you like. Come to your Framer project and just paste it here. Now you have to set it width to fill, so it will automatically adapt the responsive size. Okay, so now as you can see, this is the problem here. I will fix it. Okay, now as you can see, our design is responsive. So this is the one way you can add a component to your Framer project. So you can also customize this component by double clicking it. And if you unlink instant, and now come back, you have to detach instance. Now you can customize this component, okay? So this is the one way you can add components to your Framer project. Now I'm going to tell you the most easiest way you can add components to your Framer projects without leaving your canvas. So you have to click here, open Framify Plugin. So here you will find a bunch of components here. As you can see, we can filter them by categories. So they are very cool features in this plugin, which I will talk about later on. And now if you want to add any component, you just have to click to insert. It will automatically insert the component to your Framer canvas. So as you can see, this is completely responsive. And you can also change its mode from light to dark. As you can see, it is working perfectly fine. And now if you want to customize this component, you can easily do that. So let me tell you how you can do that. Pricing and plans, and you can type whatever you want. You don't have to detach the component like we did before. Okay, so this is the way we can do that. You will also find bunch of text style and heading. If I type here, so as you can see, you will find bunch of heading styles. Okay, so you can customize it later on. So now I'm going to talk about the cool features of the plugin. If you come here, if you click this icon, you will find color styles and text styles. So if you want to add color style, new color style, so you can add using Framify plugin. You have to click new color palette and choose color. Give it a name. I'm gonna type it secondary. Click save and boom. If you go to asset, you will find secondary color here. And if you want to change these colors, so you can easily do that. Just click save. And as you can see, the changes have been done. And now you can also do the same thing for the text style. If you come here, you can choose font from here. I'm gonna type DM Sense. I'm gonna select the font family for the heading font, DM Sense. You can choose weight from here. You can also choose the paragraph font. I'm gonna type main row. Sorry. Here it is. You can choose the font weight as well. You can increase the size. You can also use the scale option here and click Save Text Styles. So once you do that, if you come here, we will find all the text style which you previously added. So now you can also change. Let me show you. As you can see, this is DM Sense. You can change that later on if you want. So I'm gonna select the Albert Sense and click Save Text Style. It will automatically change. Okay, as you can see. So one cool feature I will talk about is bookmarking or creating collections. So let's suppose you have multiple clients and you want to create a website for every single client. So you can create a collection for every single client project. Okay, so I'm gonna create a collection from here. Client project. And now go back. If you click this icon, you can add this component to your client project. Do the same thing. You can have multiple collections at the same time. Okay. And if you want to make some changes, like you want to change the name, so you can also do that. Project 2. And also you can switch them from here. If you click Edit, you can also delete collection, confirm. And we also have the pages, and you will find categories for the pages as well. Components, we'll find different components here. We'll also find websites, so you can easily remix them from here. We will talk about one by one later on. In the next video, we will talk about Framify CMS components, in which I will tell you how you can use Framify CMS components and integrate with your Framer CMS collections. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.